Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last week, I along with my family had visited a very interesting place called Kodadagudda, which is in Jaglur Taluk and in Davangere district of Karnataka. It is a religious place where Sri Veerabhadreshwara god is worshipped, and as this place is very interesting, I've made a video about it. I hope you all like it, and if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe. So let's get back to the video. And yeah, this is my super excited little brother Sumant. As this temple is located on a hill, we have to climb these steps, and we have this huge Shiva Murti and a Ganesha temple at the entrance. We had visited this place on a hot summer day, and I would recommend everyone to come here in rainy season as it would be filled with greenery and a beautiful sight to see. And now that's the temple that we have to reach up there. I really like the vibe of this place as it is very calm and surrounded completely by big rocks and some trees and little shops here and there. Isn't it beautiful? And these are my cute little sister Sanjana, Surabhi and my brother Akshay. So there are many interesting stories about this place which I will be telling you as we climb up. And this place is also believed to be around 800 to 1000 years old. And Sanjana here wants to be clicked, but soon she realizes that it is a video. So the story about how this god actually comes to this place is also very interesting, which I will be telling you now. The god Sri Veerabhadreshwara was initially worshipped in a place called Kotturu. Then Sri Guru Basaveshwara comes to Kotturu and asks Veerabhadra to give him some place in Kotturu. But Basaveshwara becomes more popular among people and he gains a lot of worshippers in Kotturu. Then Veerabhadra asked Guru Basaveshwara what should he do now, and then he replied that all this is the wish of Almighty and he should go to a place called Kodadagudda where he will be worshipped, and hence Sri Veerabhadreshwara comes to this place. And this is how beautiful it looks as we climb higher and higher. And now we have almost reached the temple on the top of the hill. This is God Sri Veerabhadreshwara, and another interesting fact about this idol is that it is a Udbhava Murti, which means no one actually sculpted it. It has come very beautifully and naturally on a huge stone. I would definitely call it an unexplored place, and like this, there are so many beautiful places just nearby us, and we just need to explore them, their glory, historic importance, and embrace its beauty. And now we are going to another temple just a few steps below Veerabhadra temple, which is of goddess Kalikamba, who is also believed to be wife of Veerabhadra. And this is the temple of goddess Kalikamba. And this is how beautiful the view is. And if you can notice carefully, you can see the Shiva Murti between those trees. I hope you guys have liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.